Hello everyone, I'm Tan Lu from KEDA SUREMAKER. I'm currently at our manufacturing base. As a leader in holistic AAC plant solution equipment, we have built a vertically integrated manufacturing and assembly system. Driven by digitalization and greening, we are committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Let's go and find out. New products gather. Hardcore debut. Welcome to KEDA SUREMAKER's new product display area. Here is our latest AAC core equipment matrix, each a crystallization of technological breakthroughs and process innovations. First is our C-position AAC cutting line. It integrates a trimming device, horizontal and vertical cutting machines for millimeter-level precision cutting. With modular cutter plus 8 specifications of grooving cutters, it ensures high cutting quality with fewer tool changes. Its cable-stayed beam structure prevents green body cracking, V-shaped notch ensures precise wire positioning, and it has automatic wire adjustment. Cleaning and alarm functions with guiding accuracy is less than or equal to 0.05 millimeters. Now behind me is the green separating machine, key for pre-autoclaving splitting. It realizes bilateral synchronous splitting for efficiency, compatible with 50, 75, 100 series green bodies. It's automatically replaceable, clean chuck, avoids panel scratches, doubles green body penetration specific surface area, shortens autoclaving time, and ensures high-quality splitting. Here are our air and ground tilting demolding machines. The air tilting demolding machine is for large-sized molds. The ground one adopts mold car integrated design, specializing in heavy-duty molds with ultra-stable demolding. The two models cover all scenarios and boost efficiency significantly. Finally, the final product separating machine is at the production line end. As critical finishing equipment, it ensures synchronized lifting and separation, precisely separates finished products from waste without damage, and prepares for packaging and warehousing. This equipment matrix embodies KEDA SUREMAKER's AAC technical heritage. Each device is rigorously tested, ready for global customer sites, empowering green building with Chinese manufacturing. KEDA SUREMAKER is committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Welcome to inquire anytime.